Welcome to myToyS TV. We're at Pizza Hut. Now I'm going to open this Ghostbusters slime.
Yeah, that's why.
I have another one. Where's it?
Yeah, the other one is here.
I'm going to open
Well, which one you want to open and unpack it now?
one.
This one you want to unpack it now? Yeah.
Oh, I did not open it.
So we're going to have pizza tonight, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. We got pizza. This is Pizza Hut.
I can't open. Let me.
Hold it tight.
I kiss you. No, faster. Thank you.
Alright, do the rest.
You hold it. I don't know how to hold it. Yeah. Just like a pooping butt.
Well, let me have a close up. Close up. Close up. You like the movie
It's scary.
Ghostbusters?
I like it.
You like the new version with all the big girls, right? You like the girls.
The big girls is funny.
That one is funny. The other one is actually 25 years ago. I forgot.
It's real. It's not funny.
It's funny.
It's not funny. The real one
You
is
can put
not,
the ghost in a slime.
and
Or
then think it is just a slime ghost.
Ghostbuster.
I hate ghosts.
Oh, it's funny. Which one is funny? The fat girl or what?
The fat girl.
Yeah, she's funny. And the African American girl is funny too. She work in the subway. Oh, this
And
pack.
the Germany girl.
Yeah, the
too.
German is good.
When there was a ghost, she was still eating some cheese. I still see that though. This has a bag, so no need to be scared. This has the bag. Oh,
Well,
it's
remember to
water.
wash your hand before you eat the pizza. You want to dip the ghost into the slime now?
Later.
This one you can throw it away. Throw it at the back side first. Don't put it on the table. Disgusting.
Ew.
Don't smell it. It's gonna be terrible. It
Yes.
really look like ghost.
Yes. And it's sticky too.
Yes.
Ew. Ew. Ew.
You wanna
But you
put it-
can get it out very
You
easy.
want to put the ghost inside?
I'm never taking it out.
It like the ghost saliva.
Ghost saliva. It is green, by the way. Now my hand is all sticky. Ew. You're a ghost. You
How do-
in a
Oh, I know it.
ghost.
You cover this and I don't know. You can do it like this.
Whoa.
You see? The slime is going down there.
Ew. But it will be stuck in the hole. Bad idea. My finger still has slime.
Yes.
It's so sticky.
Yeah, later you wash your hand before you eat your pizza. Or you don't want any pizza.
I don't want pizza. I want pizza cheese. It's so cool, man.
Yeah, it's good. It's like a
Cool.
yeah, it's like a timer. You remember with the sand? I forgot how to call that thing. You time it and the sand going from top.
My teacher, my Portuguese teacher has that thing.
I forgot how to call that
Can I
thing.
open it?
Yeah, later after the day off going
But it will take for ages.
no, you take maybe one night or the other way around you
Whatever.
flip over again.
Both of them have slime now. Bye guys, see you next time. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Give us a big thumbs up. Check us out on Facebook and follow us on Instagram. We got 1 million subscribers, so press the subscribe button. We'll see you next time. Bye.